Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. So guys, if you want to send messages on Telegram to anyone or to your friend and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to save that contacts in which you want to send messages, and guys tell them means tell your friend and that he also save your phone number. And guys, after saving both or from both phones, then guys you will be able to send that messages on Telegram. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to check that that person not block you on Telegram. So guys, if anyone block you, then guys you can't send messages to them. And guys, firstly you need to tell them unblock you, and guys after this you will be able to send messages. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is a bug on Telegram. So guys, simply how can you fix this bug? So guys, you need to open your app store here, and guys after this here you need to search Telegram. So guys, after searching Telegram, you need to open your Telegram, and guys you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update you need to go back, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to delete your app and reinstall again, and guys your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.